So today I'm going to be fulfilling another wholesale order, but this time I'm going to be fulfilling my favorite product, which are my 8-ounce jars. This beauty ordered 5 of our 8-ounce jars, all new glosses. It is currently 6 in the morning and I am up, okay? And I'm ready to go ahead and start my day and get this order done. So yeah, I already have the, wait, I probably should have waited to put my gloves on because tape and the gloves, they get stuck together. It's not cute. All right, so these are my jars right here. I cleaned them yesterday, let them sit in some cleaning water, so they're all good, ready to go. With our 8-ounce jars, you are able to fill your own tubes. So basically, you'll have our glosses. You can get them unscented with no oils or scented with oils. She purchased the scented with oils jars. Literally, all she has to do is give it a nice little mix, and then she can start filling her tubes. Very, very easy. So we have 2 options available, and we have a bunch of beautiful colors. So right now, I'm about to add my ghetto labels. We're gonna go ahead and get started with making the glosses. But yeah, this is literally my favorite product to fulfill because it's so easy. I think it looks decent. So yeah, this is how it looks. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to leave a like, a comment, and if you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can continue growing. As you can see, they all have the labels on them. So let's see what colors we have. I already have everything out, but I'm just gonna tell y'all which ones we have to make up real quick. Okay, so we have to make High Class, which is cookies and cream scented. Millionaire is vanilla scented. Dream Chaser is bubblegum scented. Billionaire is cinnamon roll scented. And Go Getter is birthday cake scented. So these scented with oils jars are $45, right? You can make about 25 to 30 tubes with these jars. Maybe more, it all depends on the size. Let's say you can make 30 tubes with each jar, and you price your glosses at, let's just say $8. So 30 times 8 is $240 times 5, $1,200. So you can make $1,200. You can make $1,200 just from these jars. Now you don't have to price it at $8. You can price it at 10. It's literally up to you. 10, 12. You can make 15. Whatever you feel like they are worth, then you price them at that price. But I'm just giving an example. So she ended up spending $265.30. So that would be taken out, you know, if she decides to purchase again. So literally you'll be making $934. We could all use another source of income, okay? So if you are interested in selling lip glosses, our 8-ounce jars are available. Great money, and it's another source of income. So make sure you check out the site, nayasbeautywear.com. All of the information is there, ingredients. You can see swatches for each gloss. We sell more than just our new glosses, but these are our most popular glosses. So yeah, our tubes are low in stock. I do have another order to get ready. That customer ordered tubes and our syringe and pipette. So we do offer tubes, but they are low in stock right now. So you can literally get the whole thing. You can get tubes, glosses, syringe, pipettes, and just start filling as soon as they come in. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Like I said, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for being here and watching. if you're watching, leave any fruit emoji in the comments. Any fruit, strawberry, pineapple, orange, whatever. Leave it in the comments if you're here and you're watching and you're ready to see me work. I appreciate you guys so much. Got us a little bucket of base this time. Fresh gloss. Okay, I'm struggling. I'm struggling. You see me struggling, why didn't you come help me? Like, you see me struggling. This is how it looks. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my bowls ready off camera just because it's very, very time consuming. I have to weigh it out and everything, make sure it's good. Okay, I have all of the gloss base in the bowl, so we're gonna start adding the pigment. I'm gonna start off with Dream Chaser, one of our pretty pink pigment. billionaire, dream chaser, go-getter, millionaire, and high class. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.